In this video, we will talk about how to download and install Virtualbox in Windows 11. Open any browser, type download Virtualbox, and press enter. Open Virtualbox official website. Scroll down, select Windows hosts. Once it's downloaded, open the file. Click on Yes. Now click on Next. Select I accept the terms of license and click on Next. Again, click on Next. Click on Yes. Yes. Leave the startup options as per your requirement. I just want it to show up as a desktop shortcut. Now click on Next and select Install. Now click on Finish to open Virtualbox. So that's how you can download and install Virtualbox in Windows 11. See you in the next video.